So the time has finally come. It's Christmas time, and so you may be wondering, what should I buy for creatives to be able to speed up my workflow, get more productivity, and just, get better results from my creative work? And so in today's video, I'm going to answer that. Alright guys, so this video is basically just going to be a compilation of some of the stuff that me and also Max Balzer, who are featuring in this video, recommend for Christmas, and what we recommend to creatives and other professional people who want to increase their speed in workflow. And so we have the first thing I'm going to bring up, which I got for my birthday, which was November 17th, so not so long ago, and that is the Samsung T5 SSD. So you guys may or may not have known, if you follow me, that I have an 128GB Mac Mini. 128GB is just, oh my god. I'm glad Apple doesn't sell the 128GB Macs anymore, because it's just horrible to work with unless you've got one of these guys, which is the Samsung T5 SSD. And this is a really small and compact Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C, so compatible with pretty much all Macs at this point. MacBooks, Mac Minis, everything this is compatible with, and it's just a very, very useful tool, because if you bought a low storage Mac and it fills up really quickly, say if you're doing something like Final Cut Pro libraries, my libraries are often sometimes 300GB, and so this is a 1TB SSD, and it just comes in really, really handy, and it's really good for backing up storage. And this is a really, really fast SSD as well. This is faster than the internal storage on my Mac Mini, so I'm able to edit faster than what I would have straight from that machine. So yeah, this is just an absolutely excellent pick if you find yourself running out of storage too much, and you want something small, compact, you can take it with you. And especially if you've got a MacBook, you can just stick this into the side of it. It's not an eyesore, it's not like it's gonna annoy people, having this massive rig on the side of your MacBook. So this is a really good investment, I'd say, and it's probably what I find my favourite gift, because I always find myself running out of storage, and this has just saved me countless times. So the next item I wanted to talk about is this. This is the Logitech MX Master 3, and it is basically the best mouse on the planet for video editing, productivity, and other tasks like that involve some creative work, also like Photoshop and stuff like that. If you are heavy into Photoshop, Blender, anything, this is basically your best bet for a mouse. So this mouse I actually did a review on. I'll leave that in the card, which is there. And so in my MX Master review, which I published a couple of days ago, I explained what I really liked about this mouse and other things that I didn't like about the mouse. But basically, summing that up, you get a really, really nice scroll wheel. So you have two different modes, free spin and ratchet. So depending on what you're doing, you'll change the free spin mode by just clicking that and unclicking it. You also get a gesture button on the side, which allows you to switch between apps very quickly, very seamlessly. And you also get a side scroll wheel, which comes in mega handy if you are like a video editor, or you work in a lot of Excel documents, or you want to change the brush size in Photoshop. And you also get two programmable buttons, which I find myself using all of the time. So this mouse, just really, really, really handy. It will speed up your workflow immensely if you're a creative, and I would very, very highly suggest this mouse if you're looking for a new mouse for Christmas. Alright guys, so as I was editing this video, this came in, and it is the Deity D4 Duo, and this is an absolute excellent microphone. So I've been editing this for a while now, and so when this came in, I really was eager to test it, and I honestly do think this is hands down the best vlogging microphone. Absolutely no holds barred on the market. I've not seen really much like this, and this is great for interviews, vlogging, journalism, anything where you need kind of two voices in one, or you need to show something on the front and speak to the back, and other things like that, and stuff like studio tours. So that is one of the reasons as a tech reviewer why I would want this microphone, even if you don't use both capsules, which has two off, so it's basically like you're getting two microphones in one. It is still an excellent sounding audio system, even if you don't use both of them. And it's like having two really high quality microphones in one. And basically, say if I was to do a studio tour, this would come in really helpful, because I would be able to zoom up close to the objects and record my voice at the exact same time. So that is really, really handy. And you also get these wind blowers for vloggers. So say you're a vlogger and you want to go outside, which most vloggers do, otherwise you'd be a pretty bad vlogger. And this basically just stops wind. So if you're vlogging outside, these hairs will basically absorb the wind and stop it from getting into your microphone. So that is actually really cool. So it basically slots right into the top of your camera, and there's no fiddling. You just plug it into the headphone jack on the output on the microphone, and then you just plug that into your input on your camera. So this was actually sent out by Deity, so I'm very grateful. Thanks Deity for sending these out. This is just honestly the best best vlogging system out there. So if you're a vlogger, make sure you pick up this Deity D4 Duo. Trust me, it's an absolute great investment for vlogging, journalism, and especially interviews, because then you can capture 2 voices at once, and it's just really useful. And you can also change the cardioid patterns on the back, so you can have it facing forward and also facing backwards. And also, can I just say, spinning these is just so addicted. Wait, spinning both. But yeah, now that's enough from editing Charlie. And now it's back over to the other Charlie who filmed a couple hours ago. Alright guys, so the final gift I wanted to recommend is this. This is the Soundcore Limited 2 Pros. These are basically my favourite wireless earphones. So if you're in the market for like audio engineering, these are actually really good. Like, I know wireless earbuds, how are they going to be better than like, you know, a good headset? These are just incredible sounding. These sound amazing. I've never heard any headphones sound as good. I would very much suggest these if you're into audio. Maybe not into video. I would suggest something more along the lines of this. And these are the Zen Pods. So these have better latency than the Limited 2 Pros. And these Zen Pods, while they're not nearly as good sounding as Zen, they don't have as good a bass. They're a bit more muddier in the vocals and stuff like that. And just a muddier sounding thing than these Soundcores. But they do have better latency, so if you're using these for video editing, then you may want to consider these instead. But they are only in fundraisers, so just be aware of that. They might not be a brand to stick around, so just keep wary of that if you do buy these, that you probably won't get as good customer support as an established brand like Soundcore. Alright guys, so that was all from me. Now I'm going to pass it over to my good friend, Max Balzer.
Hey Charlie, thanks so much for having me on here. The first thing I want to talk about is what you're looking at. The Sigma 30mm f1.4 is a fantastic and very affordable lens. That is what I'm shooting on right now, and that is the secret to this beautiful bokeh in the background, and that is the secret to good photography and good videography that all the big guys are using. So even with today's technology, it is very challenging to actually find a 1.4 lens, an f1.4 lens that is actually a zoom lens. So all you can really find nowadays are prime lenses, but that does not mean you can't find a whole host of amazing options. This lens is made for Sony and made by Sigma, which is one of the most respected lens makers in the game. It opens up all the way to f1.4, and aperture just means the amount of light that's being let into the camera, and that means that you are getting really, really nice bokeh and really nice blur in the background. And that's one of the awesome things about having a really high quality lens. And that's one of the awesome things about Sigma's 30mm f1.4. And 30mm is a really nice focal length. 50mm is said on a 35mm sensor, on a full frame sensor, is about how we see the world. Yes, we see it at a much larger field of view, but about we see the world at 50mm. And so 30mm on a crop size sensor is almost 50mm. And so you are really feeling like the person is right next to you, and you're getting a really high quality lens. It's very sharp. DxOMark.com has called this lens the highest rated APS-C lens, and it's a fantastic lens, and I totally recommend you to pick this lens up, and it only costs about $339, and in the lens game, that's pretty affordable. Whew, okay. Another one of my favorite pieces of tech from this year has been this guy. This is the MacBook Air with M1, and it's a fantastic laptop. It's been a big year for tech releases overall, and this was just one of the big ones, the release of the M1 chip. If you don't already know, the M1 chip is Apple's next iteration of the Mac, and it is their own silicon built in-house, and it performs like a beast. I did a whole breakdown of the Apple Silicon Macs, which is going to be linked up here, but it is a fantastic computer, and I completely recommend you to get one, and the MacBook Air is fit really nicely in price starting at $999. So this is a fantastic laptop, and thank you so much, Charlie, for having me on and getting to share some of my tech recommendations for the 2020 holiday season.
So a huge thanks to Charlie for having me on here today, and I want to talk with you today about this, the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Now this is a great mobile gimbal for any of you who shoot on your iPhones or your phone in general. I personally have been using it for about 3 or 4 months now, and I can't recommend it enough. It's just such a great tool to have, especially with the DJI Osmo app. There's a lot of built-in presets that you can use, and it gives you fine-grained control over your video, so you can change your exposure, you can use different frame rates, you can use different aspect ratios, and it's just a great overall experience. So I definitely recommend for you to get this gimbal.
Alright guys, so that was the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and thanks so much to Max Balzer and also Shayaan Azeem. So I really appreciate these two coming on today and recommending some really cool Christmas gifts. Let me know what would your favourite Christmas gifts be in the comment section below. And yeah, this has been Charlie from Tech R Us, also Max from Max Balzer, and you guessed it, Shayaan from Shayaan Azeem. I'll see you next one, and also Max will see you in his next one, and Shayaan will see you. Anyway, it gets complicated. Anyway, we'll see you next one. Bye-bye.